Hi girls, it's Miss Darian. My pronouns are she, her, and her, and today I'm going to show you guys how to do heat convection in liquids. So what you're going to need for this is the clear mason jar we gave you, water, a freezer, a coffee mug or another container that can contain hot liquid, a spoon, and a straw. So what you're going to do is I filled the clear jar halfway up and put it in the freezer for 15 minutes. And then I filled the coffee mug about 1/4 full of hot water. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 10 drops of blue food coloring. 3, 4, 5. Yours will be already measured out for you, so you won't have to worry about that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my spoon and mix the blue into the hot water and set it over here. Then I have this that I just removed from the freezer, and I'm going to take the straw. So what you're going to do, you're going to use the straw. The straw is going to act as a dauber. So what you're going to do is you're going to put it into the blue water, put your finger on top, and it creates a dauber effect. Then what you're going to do is you're going to make sure all the excess is off. You're going to put it all the way into the bottom of the jar. Then carefully relieve 2 drops of hot water. 1, 2, and then watch what happens. The water is separating like that. And now it's going down. Bigger blue layer at the top. Fill it. Put it towards the bottom. 1, 2. Put it back in here and watch what happens again. And then after I've done that, don't put it in all the way, just fill the tip of it, put it in there, and release. You see how the dark blue is dancing at the top and it's kind of moving around. So when you squeeze the drops of water with blue dye near the bottom of the jar, most of it rises through the cold water, then continues to travel across the top. Ripples of blue color move through the water. A blue layer will form at the top, which has already done. As time goes by, some of the blue water begins to sink, as you can see it has. And after 5 to 10 minutes, all the water will turn a lighter shade of blue. So I'm going to keep adding in more of this. You don't want to release air, so you're going to hold your finger on top of this as long as you can. And then to release, you just let go. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pick up as much as I need, put it into the bottom, and release it. And see how it floats straight to the top. See how some of it starts to sink, but then a lot of it goes at the top. You guys might be wondering why this happens. Well, when you squeeze the drops of water with the blue dye near the bottom of the jar, most of it rises through the cold water. And this is because the hot water molecules had more kinetic energy than the cold water molecules. That means that the blue water molecules were colliding more and pushing each other apart. This lowered the density of the blue water because fewer molecules could fit in the given volume. The less dense blue water therefore rose to the top, and those streams of blue fluid you saw were convection currents, Over time, thanks to the convection currents, the hot water mixed with cold water evening out the temperature overall, the blue food coloring also diffused throughout the liquid. Diffusion happens constantly. The blue food coloring molecules moved from higher concentration in the hot water and zero concentration in the clear water to create a more uniform distribution throughout the liquid, giving it an even light blue appearance. I hope you enjoyed learning about heat convection in liquids. I know I had a lot of fun doing that little experiment, and I will see you guys next time. Stay safe. Bye.